Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I want to make a video on Samsung trade-in and whatever seems to be going on here with the trade-in program. I've been seeing this on Reddit almost every day where person after person after person is getting this email saying that their trade-in did not satisfy the requirements, something like a device's screen is cracked or body is cracked, and that they're going to be charged $155 to the payment method they used when they bought their S23 or S23 Ultra, whatever phone they bought. And I'm seeing this literally every day from multiple people throughout, usually it's just United States. I haven't seen anything from other countries, so it looks like it's whatever trade-in partner Samsung is using in the US seems to be the issue here. And I don't know if this is something that they're intentionally doing, just hoping somebody's not going to call support and try to fight it, or they're just not going to notice, and then they're going to get charged this $155. So that's even less you're getting back for your device that you traded in. And trade-in values were already low this year, so I don't know if this is a way to get even more out of you or what is up. This has happened to me in the past. I believe it was the Note 20. I think it was the Note 20 I got. I traded in an S10. I believe it was an S10 or an S10 Plus, one of those devices, when the Note 20 came out. And fortunately, I did take pictures and video of the device's condition, the device working, the screen, the back of the phone, all that kind of stuff when I sent the phone in. And the screen actually still had a screen protector on it when I sent it in, just the plastic film. And I got an email with a picture attached saying that the device was cracked and it had a hairline crack across the screen. I called Samsung. I said, hey, that wasn't how I sent the phone. I have a picture, I have pictures of it. And I believe they actually did make me send the picture in. And then once they saw the picture, they said, okay. And they canceled the charge, which back then was a lot more than $155 because they weren't doing cracked device trade-in. So it was like all or nothing. So fortunately, I had that picture and they reversed it for me, or they never charged me, which is what they seem to be doing here. A lot of people are calling in saying, "Hey, it wasn't cracked when I sent it. It wasn't damaged when I sent it." And Samsung apparently isn't even asking for pictures. They're saying, "Okay," and they just cancel the charge. Now, this person even said that the rep claimed that they had a video of the phone being unboxed from the trade-in partner, and that the phone, when it was unboxed, was not cracked. So it's clear that these devices that are saying that they're damaged are not actually damaged, at least in this case, which is probably the case for most of these, because I find it very hard to believe that all these multitude of people are sending in damaged devices and then wondering why they're getting these emails. So it's clearly something on the trade-in partner's end here, and I think it needs to be looked at because it's either a scam or it's very, very bad incompetence on the part of whoever Samsung's using for the trade-in partner, which I believe is Hyla Mobile. That's who they've used in the past. And just a week before the S23 went up for pre-order, I actually saw that they were doing $50 trade-ins for AirPods for the Buds Pro 2. And I bought the Buds Pro 2 and I sent my AirPods first generation in for the $50 credit. And it arrived back at Hyla Mobile was where it went to. And that was probably about 3 weeks ago at this point, and I've heard nothing. I got an email saying that they've received it and that I would receive a confirmation in 3 to 5 days after it was inspected. 3 to 5 days. It's been about 3 to 4, probably going on 4 weeks now at this point. Within the next week, it'll be a month. So don't know what's going on there. I don't really care because I got the confirmation that they received it, so it's not like they can say I never sent it or anything like that. So it's not going to discharge me because the time period passes. And I think the time period to send it in was actually ended yesterday. So that already ended. But yeah, so that is going on. If you have experience with this, if you had an issue with your trade-in, or if you got an email like this, let me know down in the comments below. Let other people know down in the comments below. And let us know what Samsung did for you, if they charged you, or if you had to fight them, if they reversed the charge, and how easy that process was for you, and what they told you about your device. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.